Now,
That's right there. Go back. You're too close.
yes, ma'am. Well, tell me what you're doing first.
Oh, Bishop, I'm walking in my destiny.
You better know it.
I want to let you know that when I left here today, before I came, I couldn't take one step.
You couldn't take one step.
Not one step.
You were confined to that chair.
Yeah. Or my walkers, or my crutches. I hadn't walked on my cane in about 2 or 3 years. Not one step. But I went home and I said, I'm going to get my cane. And I came back to get me some Yakamine. But I came back on my cane because I'm going to be walking on my cane. So, look, just stay right there. Now, don't you see this, son? You
2
see
years.
This, son? Yep.
2 years.
You see this, son? This is God.
Hey, my God.
This is God. I ain't got nobody on the side of me, in front of me, but nobody but God. This is God. My God. This is God.
Jesus.
God. And you know it's going to get better.
Yes, it is.
You know it's going to get better.
Yes,
This is nobody but God.
Nobody but God.
This is nobody but God. Nobody but God.